Hi everyone! Welcome back to MixTray English. Today, we have a funny and easy story for you. It's called The Shoe in the Fridge. Let's listen, read, and speak English together. Tom is hungry again. He goes to the fridge to get some food. He opens the door and sees something very strange. There is a shoe in the fridge. Tom says, "What? A shoe in the fridge?" He takes it out and looks at it. "This is my left shoe." He says, "Who put it in the fridge?" Tom checks under the table. He checks behind the sofa. Then he hears a tiny voice say, "It was me. It's the right shoe, and it's talking." The right shoe says, "My brother was too hot, so I put him in the fridge." Tom laughs. "Shoes don't go in the fridge." He says, "The right shoe jumps on Tom's foot." The left shoe jumps out of the fridge and says, "I'm cold." Tom says, "Let's warm you up with a dance." So Tom puts on both shoes. He dances around the kitchen. The fridge is safe, the shoes are warm, and Tom eats a banana. Everyone is happy. The end. Let's read some sentences together. There's a shoe in the fridge. This is my shoe. Who put it there? Shoes don't go in the fridge. Let's do a happy dance. Great job. You listened, read, and spoke English today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MixTray English. See you in the next story time. Bye!